What's up, guys? It's February 3rd, 2025. Tough day in the markets. A lot of sideways. I mean, we were pretty much sideways since bar 13 for 5 hours. There were still legs to catch, though. I took a small break as soon as the market closed. I was playing for the gap fill. If you were watching the live stream, I was holding long. I got stopped out right here for this gap fill. So I took a little break. I come back to do this breakdown, and I'm looking at this price action on the 15-minute chart. I'm like, why did the gap get closed on the 15-minute chart, but not the 5-minute chart? And I look, oh my God, that's all I was looking for, like right here. But I guess we have to tag the previous breakout point, bar 147. Uh, it is what it is. I'm still up on the day, so can't be too mad. But that was definitely my target. I was scalping out around here. I bought more lower. Anyways, let's get down to the breakdown. Let's get down. What's that one song? Let's get down to business. Oh, never mind. Okay, so daily chart, 15-minute chart. We had a really big gap down. I think it was like 123 points, 120 point gap down from the yesterday's overnight session. Oh, it might be 123. I'll make it look like 123. Anyways, 120, 123 point gap down. And I was thinking, someone might look for a trend. I was a little bit skeptical about getting short because we're in a trading range. In a trading range, typically we gap down right into support, by the way, into this bull gap, testing 50% of this bull gap. In trading ranges, this is not like bulletproof what I'm saying. I'm just saying something to think about. A gap if we're trading at the high of a trading range and we gap down, is it a sell or is it a buy if we're into support? With that being said, we very well could have. There's so much momentum we could have just went down to oblivion. But I was more bullish all day today. I was still trading last, so I still took some shorts around here, but just think about that. If we're in a trading range and we gap down and we're still within the trading range boundaries, is it a buy or a sell? I don't know. And today specifically, I guess it was a buy. And that's not our hard proof rule. I'm not telling you to buy the next gap down, but if you guys are confused, why did we rally after a gap down? Well, the market's in a trading range and we sold off into support right here. That's the previous breakdown point. Breakout point, excuse me, previous breakout point. So daily chart, we started out down here. We rallied. This is a pretty nice reversal. What is the bears here? Bears made about 45 points. Looking for all-day trend. They get trapped and it reverses higher. They're forced to buy back shorts. The gap down can be shown here on the 15-minute chart. Actually, I'm over here talking. I forgot. 15-minute chart. So there's the gap down, about 120 points. This is overnight session, right? 3 p.m. second. Yeah, so this is the overnight session. Gap down, small pullback, lower high, double top, sells off. Bears get one tick below the strong leg here, so that's the minimum. They should get two legs. Leg one, deep pullback. Leg two, pullback. Leg three, shallow. Puts us in a trading range. Bulls start to rally here. Leg one, pullback. Leg two, pullback. Leg three. Leg three is climactic, testing the high here. And we go sideways until it open. Somewhat of a wedge bottom. Push one, push two, push three. And even within these, those legs I just counted, actually, look at the leg counting. So leg one, trendline break, leg two, deep trendline break, leg three for the bears into support. Bulls get three, but I think this is really clean. Three legs, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three into resistance. And then bears get three legs lower, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, inside bar, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. You could say there's a leg four because there's a tail right there. And then look at this pullback. Rally, testing the breakout point. This is a good setup to get short here. Sells off for multiple legs lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 legs lower. Leg one, pull back, leg two, inside bar. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, pull back, leg four. That was super sloppy. Bulls get the rally. Leg one, pull back, leg two. Here, pull back. This tail is what I'm counting as a third leg. 1 second, I'm gonna zoom in. Why am I counting that as a third leg? This tail could be a third leg for the bulls. It is a third leg for the bulls. Remember the previous videos, I've been talking about 3 different types of outcomes or swing points. So after trend line breaks, we have 3 different types of outcomes. So we have a trend line break. Bulls want to make a new high. Trend trend line break, bulls get the recent high or the third option that we got today, that we got in this price action. Trend line break, lower high. Worst case for the bulls, it sells off. So I'm counting this as a third leg that fails to make a new high. And that's just training ground price action. Obviously, we can see this huge bull bar right there. Ends up being a good breakout that leads to 2-3 legs higher. Leg one, this is a quick count. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. And we can go into detail about what I just did right here. It happens right here. You guys can see the bare legs, 3 legs lower. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Wedge bottom into support, testing the breakout point. That was sloppy breakout point. And then we rally for a few legs. Selling, lots of tails above the sell bar, so that's not good. When we see reversal bars, we don't want the other side to make money. So I think I talked about this a little bit last. There was a good reversal bar one day. Look at this reversal bar, 19. Bears actually made money down here. That's not good. That's a pin bar. That's not good. Double top sells off. So like one, pull back, like two, pull back, like three. Bar 26 right here. It sells off too, but bears don't have a lot of time to make money, so they're actually trapped. This reversal bar, bears got relief. They could short here, short more, and they get out 50%. They get out the original entry. And then, rally. Bar 26, if you're thinking double top, I was actually trapped here, but I got out really quick for less than a tick. Maybe a tick. There's not enough time for bears to make money, so just like myself, I got trapped. And yeah, something to think about if you're looking for reversals. Do bears make money in the reversal bar? See right here, bar 42, bears made money. They went back for 43, bears made money. Bears made money. Look at 45. Bears didn't make money. So the bears that shorted 44 are going to be forced to buy back longs. Real quick, while it's on my mind, because I don't want to jump around too much. Bar 20 was talked about today in the Discord, saying this is good for a reversal. Good for a swing. And yeah, you could buy the swing. You could. There's no doubt about it. And then hold forever. Buy the 22 close buy the 20th close and hold forever. I said it wasn't a very good bar. I didn't go into too much detail because I was trading, but look how much time bears had to make. Bears had to trade. What am I saying? Look how much time bears were short. They were short for 20 points. Bears that shorted 17. Oh my gosh. Bears that shorted 19 that almost made 20 points. Why that's not telling you it's not a good reversal. However, you buy this, you do get 3 bars in a row. So you're leg counting like 1, pull back like 2, pull back like 3, scalp out. I mean, you technically, if you had to stop here, you would never get stopped out. 42 is very close to stopping out, but it doesn't. Something to think about when you're looking at reversal bars. Look at the reversal bar. Let's see. 56, all right, but it's kind of late in trend. 51's all right. Not too many good reversal bar trading range behavior. These are all right reversal bars for the bears. The bulls were actually... Bulls made 3 points, so something to think about. Anyways, let's get into it. Where's the gap right here? This indicator's not... Okay, there we go. 81. Yesterday ended in a really steep bear trend. 81. Closing below the EMA. Big gap down. Bar 1, bad for the bears, good for the bulls. It's a trading range bar, but has a bull body. Bar 2, follow through. Not what you want to see. Follow through for bar 1. However, the close is not closing far beyond bar 1. Bar 3, bar 4, we have 3 bars here. 1, 2, 3. On the 15-minute chart, it should be a doji. Yep, so that's a trading range bar. That's nothing but a pullback in the 15-minute. And then bears get their 3 legs lower. 4, 5, 6, pullback. 7, 8, and then 9, 10. So leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Wedge bottom, really strong rally. Look at this wedge bottom. With the wedge bottom testing the breakout point. You don't really need to know what it's testing, but what you need to know is 3 legs down. When you have a big gap in a direction, the first hour can be directional, and then we go sideways for the rest of the day. That's what we got today. We got a tradable leg. I didn't trade. Oh, I did trade this. I got filled on. I had a limit order below 3. Got filled on 6. Got out on 5. Or 7. Oh my gosh, I'm tired today. My numbers are all la la gaga land. So yeah, we have 3 legs lower. Strong breakout bar 11. Ask yourself, what is it breaking out of? Well, bar 11 is breaking out of every single bar here, and it's closing above its bar 2's high. So 2 seconds. So bar 11 is closing above bar 2's high. It's the whole range. We can look for a measured move here. Oh wow, the measured move is met fairly quickly. I did not catch that in the intraday. I was actually looking at this for a measured move, which lined up with the gap fill, which is kind of why I was going for the gap fill, but doesn't matter. Does not matter. Bar 11, strong breakout, producing a big gap. Could get tested later, but with this is trapping a lot of limit order bears. Every bear that had a limit order is trapped now. They got to get out. This is a lot of momentum. Trying to get at least a second piece, a small second piece. Bar 12 pulls back, rallies above the EMA. 13 is that follow through for 12. So now we have 3 bars in a row. 3 bar microchannel. 14 being the first visible pullback. 15 being that second leg. It could be a second leg trap. It could be a fourth leg. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4. Multiple ways to count it. Let me go sideways for pretty much the rest of the day, but more for sideways here. Tight trading range, very hard to trade. Everything looks like a breakout, and then it reverses right away. So tough conditions for a breakout trader. 16 is a bad follow through. 17 the market goes sideways, but it rallies. 18 another rally. Bull bar closing below its midpoint, more tail than body. 19 bear bar, more tail than body. Now we have somewhat of a triangle. When we have a triangle, 50% of the time it can break out to the downside and reverse, and that's what we see here with 20. Bears made about 20 points, we see, and it rallies for another leg higher. Now we have multiple things going on here. Leg 1, we have a leg 1, pull back leg 2, deep pull back leg 3. After leg 3, the conditions for a trend continuation significantly go down. 23, 24. 23 looks like a good sell signal, but it doesn't have a strong bear close. But it is bad follow through at highs. And we're trading at the high of the trading range, so this could be the high, this could be the low. 25, 26, pin bar, but it's a reversal bar. So doji has more tail, so bears are making money. 26, excuse me, that was 25, 26, bad follow through. It's breaking out with follow through, but it's bad follow through. 27 again. There's that sell at the range highs. 28 is a bear bar closing on its low. 29 is a pullback. 29's high is actually higher than 28, so the high is 36.25. So higher by 1 tick. So it's higher by 1 tick. Bears, that just means it's not in the same channel. A new channel starts here, leg 1, pullback leg 2. 30 strong bear bar closing on its low. 31 31 bad follow through, but it is follow through, but it's a doji bar, and it's already testing the midpoint. For a bar like this to test the midpoint and not make a new low, you got to ask yourself something's wrong with it, right? Because if this is such a strong breakout, how come it got to the midpoint? And when it got to the midpoint, how come it didn't make a new low? Something's not right with the breakout on 30. 31, another reversal bar. Bear sell, get trapped. 33, sell, trap. 34, sell, and trap. So the bears are now getting trapped. Every bear that's selling lows, they're getting stuck. They buy back shorts. 34, 35. Bulls buy this, testing the high here. Bulls that think this is a good breakout buy this and immediately get trapped, and bears get another 2 legs down. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2 into support, and it starts to rally. 44, bear bar closing on its low, closing on the lower third, not closing on its low, but if this was broken into thirds, it'd be closing on the lower third. 45 is a 2 bar reversal, sold and reversed. Now, this is where I started to think about swinging. I'm a scalper, but I thought we could swing. I thought the gap close was a good target. 3 bar microchannel, pull back 50, 51. 51 is testing the breakout point, 47. Rally, sideways, 3 legs higher, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. These 2 bars trying to get its own second leg, leg 1, pull back leg 2. Not a new high, so I'm going to redo that count. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. Second leg trap, what we know now to be resistance. Sells off for the rest of the day. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back. I was actually long here. I got stopped out 72. I thought the gap fill was great, and that's why I pointed out the gap fill target, because I did not realize bulls did fill the gap, just I was not able to participate, which sucks, but that's the name of the game. Let's look at some 3-bar micro channels. And then closing in on 20 minutes here. 3-bar micro channel with a pullback. Very big. I don't think it's going to get 1R. You could go for the 50% level, which would be around here, and that is met. 3-bar micro channel 20, 21, 22. Again, deep pullback. I don't think it's going to get 1R. It does get 1R if you can buy the pullbacks, but tough trade. It's a complex pullback. It's a complex pullback because we're more in a trading range, so breakout traders should step aside or scalp with limit orders. And that's up to you. I scalp with limit orders now, and it's just more. The reason I'm doing it is because of these exact moments here. I might miss some trades in a trend, but I make up for it by not getting annihilated here. Because I promise you, 6 months ago I would have sold 39. I would have bought 35, sold 39. Then it just would have been a mess. I'm sure we've all been there. So tell them to think about. I wouldn't tell anyone to just start trading limit orders tomorrow. Do your homework and understand what you're getting yourself into. I'm becoming more and more fond of limit orders, but I do miss some nice trends. But that will get fixed later on. 47, 48, 49, another 3-bar micro channel. Put it here. 1R is met very quickly, and you see the market start to go sideways. You could add 51 as another 3-bar micro channel because there is a bull bar down here. Put it to the high. What the heck? High of 56, and 1R is not met because we're 3 legs higher, and we have our fractal 3 legs here. 3 pushes up, failed lower high. Somewhat of a, I can't remember the pattern, but it's like a reverse head and shoulder or head and shoulders. Sells off. Bear, that's a blower high for the bulls. Bears get the breakout 69, you sell it, and you're already trapped. So bears are going to short more and get out 72 or hold for a small swing EOD. Pretty nice day. Yeah, just to be fully open, I was trading the micro Nasdaq today, so I'll be trading Nasdaq for a couple days and give it a feel. So we're gonna do the E-mini breakdowns. The price action is pretty much it's correlated, but I'm just trading it so I can save some money on commissions. It's very similar. Just I'm trading one contract here, but I was trading 4 contracts on ES or on the micros. Anyways, hope you guys had a good one. Thanks for tuning in. I always enjoy talking to you guys. I'm gonna be live streaming a lot more. I do like it, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. See you in the stream 6:30 in the morning Pacific. I don't know the rest of the time zone. So you guys have a good one. If you learned something, share the show. Invite the Discords in the comments. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.